Hello everyone. Today let's we meet 20 pet animals. First, dog. A loyal and friendly companion known for obeying commands easily, comes in many breeds and sizes, loves playing and staying close to humans. Next, cat. A soft and calm pet with sharp senses. Enjoys sleeping and relaxing most of the day. Loves gentle play and affection, known for its independent nature. Next, rabbit. A small pet with long ears and soft fur. Loves eating vegetables and hopping around. Very gentle and shy in nature. Needs a clean cage and quiet space. Next, parrot. A colorful bird known for talking and mimicking. Very intelligent and playful. Loves needs seeds, fruits, and attention. Needs a spacious cage to move around. Next, hamster. A tiny round pet with cute cheeks, active at night and loves running on wheels. Eats seeds and small fruits, very easy to handle and care for. Next, guinea pig. A small furry pet with a soft squeaky voice. Loves happily with other guinea pigs. Eats grass, vegetables, and hay. Very gentle and perfect for kids. Next, goldfish. A bright orange fish kept in aquariums. Looks beautiful while swimming gracefully. Needs clean water to stay healthy. Very peaceful and calming to watch. Next, turtle. A slow moving pet with a strong shell. Lives long and grows slowly. Needs a tank with water and land. Very calm and low maintenance. Next, pigeon. A peaceful bird often kept at home. Known for flying high and returning home. Eats grains and seeds. Friendly and easy to tame. Next, lovebirds. A pair-friendly bird known for affection. Very colorful and playful. Loves staying in pairs or groups. Needs a spacious cage to enjoy flying. Next, ferret. A long-bodied, playful pet. Loves exploring and hiding things. Very curious and energetic. Needs a lot of playtime daily. Next, duck. A cute bird that loves water. Swims easily with its webbed feet. Eats grains, insects, and plants. Very friendly but needs space. Next, goat. A farm pet known for climbing and jumping. Eats grass, leaves, and grains. Very active and intelligent. Can form strong bonds with owners. Next, sheep. A fluffy animal with soft wool, calm and gentle in nature. Eats grass and enjoys grazing, easy to train and handle. Next, cow. A kind and peaceful farm animal. Gives milk and loves gentle care. Eats grass and hay. Forms a bond with the family. Next, horse. A strong and beautiful riding animal, very loyal and fast. Loves running in open spaces. Needs grooming and daily care. Next, donkey, a hard-working but gentle pet, known for carrying loads, very intelligent and calm, forms close bonds with humans. Next, fish, other types. Many colorful species kept in tanks swim smoothly and look beautiful, need clean water and proper food, peaceful pets that reduce stress. Next, Checo, a small lizard like pet, harmless and easy to care for. Eats insects like crickets, active mostly at night. Next, hedgehog, a tiny pet covered with soft spins, rolls into a ball when scared, eats insects and fruits, very cute and shy in nature.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.